how to transfer your HEX file, which is a makecode microbit file, onto your microbit. So once you've made your program and you're ready to put it on your microbit, this is the process you'll take. So right away you can see I have my download folder open because that's where the file is going to go into once you download it, because it downloads in there. I've also plugged my microbit in, which you can see looks like a USB drive, right? When you plug it in, this is on a Mac, but on PCs also you'll see that your your USB will be connected. All right, so it connects it as a physical device to your computer. So let's go ahead and we'll go into our make code. Now I've made this program before, so what I'm going to do is I'll just take it and I'm going to download this onto my microbit because right now it's still just on the platform. So I made this little program where it is a show string of hello and it plays a little melody and it just repeats forever. All right, so say I want to save this now, I want to dump it down onto my microbit. So first off, make sure that you have a name for it. This one, let's call hello world. Okay, and I'm going to save it. All right, so I hit save. Now, soon as I hit save, you saw something downloaded, right? It spits this hex file out, and I could download it again, but no, I already have it, so I'm going to hit done. Now let me go over into my downloads, and look here, you see microbit hello world.hex, and I just downloaded it. So here's my code. Now, in the far left of your Finder, here is my microbit. You can see all of these external devices. My phone's connected, and my microbit is also connected. So the only thing I have to do is click, drag, and drop on top of the microbit. You'll see on the back of the microbit, it's download it first, either by saving, or I could click on this download file here and see, whew, there it goes again. All right, and then I just have to click done again in my download folder, and here it is. All right, so there's my hex file. So I just drag and drop it onto my microbit and you are done. It will have your program on the microbit itself. I hope that helps.